Allah is making things easy for you and I. But why is it that the more Allah makes things easy, the lazier we become? When Allah is giving you so much of ease, you have hot water from the tap, you have electricity, you have so much facility, you have such a lovely masjid, you have better clothing, you have a better vehicle or a motorbike or a car or a bicycle, but Salatul Fajr, we are sleeping. Is it fair? It's not fair. Salatul Fajr, we are what? We are what? Look, everyone is saying they are sleeping. Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. Be careful. That was examination question. You failed question number 1. You are supposed to say we are awake. Salatul Fajr, we are what? Awake. Allahu Akbar. Now we are learning. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Salatul Fajr, we are awake. We want to fulfill salah for Allah, the sake of Allah. Rak'ata al-Fajr khayrun min ad-dunya wa ma fiha. The 2 units of Salatul Fajr, the Sunnah before Farad, is better than the whole world and whatever it has. It's better than everything you have. And you know, the caller who calls for Salatul Fajr adds 1 sentence into the adhan. What is that sentence? As-salatu khayrun minan nawm. Allahu Akbar. Have you heard that? Have you heard that? You want to say it with me? As-salatu khayrun minan nawm. Salah is better than sleep. Salah is better than sleep. Who is saying this? It is taught by Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. He was given revelation from Allah to remind us, Hayya alal falah. Come to success. You want success? You want happiness? You want joy? You want contentment? Allah says the solution is to come to pray. If you are connected with Allah, Allah has the key to the door of your success. Hayya alal falah. Come to success. Who is telling you come to success? Wallahi, it is your maker, Allah. Allah. So if you really think you are successful but you don't pray, in actual fact you are not successful. Your business is flourishing but you don't pray, there is no success. You have so many nice things but you don't pray, no success. But if your business is okay and your salary is okay, I can just manage to buy my food and pay my rent, few things, and I am praying 5 times a day, wallahi, you are better than the one who has a beautiful bungalow but he doesn't pray. Because this world is temporary. You die, I die. Your money will not help you, mine will not help me unless I did what Allah told me to do with that money. When I am humble and I respect people, and I fulfill my prayers and I have a connection with Allah and I worship Allah alone and I try my best to follow the sunnah of Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, that is true success. That is true success. When Allah speaks about success, He speaks about all these good qualities and habits. Never ever did Allah connect eternal success with the amount of money you have, because it is temporary.